Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in good health, enjoying Ramadan, enjoying your life, and enjoying all the lectures which teachers are making with a lot of effort. And daily, they are putting up so much colors, so much fun, so much effort, so much of knowledge to the lectures for you to know and learn when you're enjoying them. So we are in our general knowledge social studies class, and we are going to learn today a little about our earth. We love our earth. We have to take care of our earth. So there are like many things which we can discuss and which we should know about our earth, but there are some which I've already discussed, and today we are going to discuss something new. Yes. And what is that new? It is all about our earth, because you see, and there are like many countries on the face of the earth. There are many people who live in different countries, that live in different places of earth. So some, like, we live in different areas in our city, then people live in different cities in the country, then people live different countries in different countries. And then people even live in different places, because our earth is being divided into all that, because there's no one land on which all the people live over there. Okay, so I'm going to explain you that, and how I'm going to explain you that, I'm going to share with you a picture on which you can see those things, how do they look like. So as we're discussing about our world, you know that our world is the three portion of the world is water, which we have discussed before, that we have three portions on which there is water only, and there are only one portion on which we have land. And we have discussed that how important is the water for us. That's why there are three parts that is covered with water. So now I'm going to just show you the map of the world. How does this look like? That how it is divided, and then I am going to show you the division of the land and the water, right? So I'm going to share you a picture. Just have a look at this picture. This is our world's map, right? Now, just have a look at this. This is how our worlds look like. See, our world is round, but here we have just spread it. Now you can see there's a lot of water, and there are small pieces of land, but they're not all together. They're a little scattered, right? So the water shows us different oceans, and the land, which are different. We have divided into different continents, right? So they're all together. We have over here on Earth, there are 7 continents, right? How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. They're all different continents. So as you can see over here, we are going to discuss about them one by one, that how many continents are there. There are 7 continents, and what are those continents, what are the names of those continents, and how they are different from each other, right? Now, before I go on to that, I am going to show you a video on which they're going to tell you how many continents are there, and what are the countries in them, and then we will discuss about that. First of all, I'm just going to, as I explained you, that we have got 7 continents over here, and the 7 continents are South America, North America, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe. I forgot Europe. I took it at the end. So there are 7 continents: South America, North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Antarctica, Australia, right? So we will be discussing about that. So, yeah, but today we are going to discuss 2 continents, which I'm going to explain you that the location of those continents and the countries of those continents. Okay, so we are going to discuss those. So first of all, again, I'm going to show you the world map so you can see the location of those continents. Okay, so now just have a look at that. We are going to discuss about first about North America, right? Yes. Now, if you look at this map, now the North America, when you see this, the North America is on the top left corner. You just look at the top left corner of the world's map. So if you look at most of the world's map, the North America is at the top left corner. Now, can you see that? Can you spot that? On the top left corner, there is North America. You have to look at the top of the of the map. Look at the top of the map. There is North America. See? Yes, that's great. So this is North America. Now, North America is this is the third largest continent from all of them, right? And this is very big because this is the third largest continent, and North America has all the major biomes, including they have in North America, there are deserts, there are greenlands, there are forests, all kind of forests, and there is aquatics, and there are tundras. So a biome, what is a biome? A biome is a type of habitat, a natural environment of all the living things. So in desert, there are like different type of habitat. So there are different kind of living things. In grasslands, there are different type of living things because the temperature and all the things are different. In forests, obviously in rainforests, there are different type of animals. In aquatic, and there are different type of animals. So North America has almost all the biomes. So I'm just going to show you how does that only the North America looks like, right? This is right now you're looking at the whole map, but I am just going to show you the picture of North America right now. Okay, now see, this is how North America looks like, and this is mostly at the top left on the map, right? Now, in this continent, we have got many countries. You see, there is Canada, there is some part of United States, there is Mexico, there is Greenland, right? So there are like different countries, they are in North America, right? So this is the map of North America. And now, if we come back to the world map again, we are going to see South America, right? Now, you have to look at the bottom left corner. First, we were looking at the top left corner, and now just below the North America, you can see South America, right? Yeah, just below North America. Just have a look at this below North America. Yes, this is South America. Now, this is the 4th largest continent. Yes, this has got 4 largest continent, and Brazil is the largest country as it is half of the size of the whole continent. The whole continent, the half of the continent is only Brazil, and Amazon River is even in this continent, the very known continent of South America that is also in South America. And Brazil is also the largest country, and that covers the half of this continent, right? So this is what you can see over here. This is North America and this is South America. Now I will just show you the picture of only South America right now, right? So just just going to show you the picture of South America. See? Yes. Now, see, the Brazil is covering almost half of the continent. That is the largest country, and it has got Peru, it has got Chile, Argentina, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Paraguay, Uruguay. So these are the countries that are in South America. Yeah, sorry. Yes, South America. We were looking at the North America before, and just down, just below North America, there is South America. North America is very cold. The upper north is very, very cold. So this is how South America looks like, right? So I am going to share you a video in which we will be getting the information of the continents, right? And the countries of the continent. Okay, so I'm just going to share with you.
This is how your world look like.
See, this is
And
how
the
our world looks
map
like.
of the world looks like. They're all continents built up together. There are 7 continents in the world. For example, Asia is the largest continent, which includes countries like China, Pakistan, India, Japan, Malaysia, Nepal, Afghanistan, Iran, Philippines, and Taiwan. And there are many more countries inside Australia since it's the largest continent. Then you have another continent called Europe. Everyone knows about Europe. It has countries like Great Britain, the UK, France, Spain, Norway, Ireland, and many more. It's North America. North America has United States of America, also known as USA or America, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Jamaica, and more. Then you have, of course, the South America. South American countries include Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, Peru, and more like those. Then you have the continent Africa. Yes, Africa is also a continent. It has countries like South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Morocco, even Saudi Arabia is in Africa, Sudan, Algeria, Libya, and many more. It's a huge mix of countries. Then you have the continent called Australia. The continent Australia has obviously Australia in it, New Zealand, Fiji, and a few more. Then you have another continent which is kind of a very tricky one. It's called Antarctica, and there are no countries in it. In actual sense, there are no countries in it because the climate of Antarctica is so low that there are no countries in it. But still, there are a few countries and few nations who claim different part of it, such as New Zealand, Australia, France, Norway, the United Kingdom, Chile, and Argentina, while none of these states have anything physical present till today in the Antarctica. These are all the continents of the world.
Yay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you. See, we got to know the continents of the world as we discussed that there are 7 continents in the world, and they have given you the names. There are
good morning to
yes, we were discussing that there are 7 continents, and the names are South America, North America, Europe, Australia, Asia, Antarctica, and Africa. And they are all different. They have got different countries, they've got different people, they've got different nations, and that we are going to discuss as we discussed about North America today and South America, and we have discussed about the countries and a little about the environment, right? So we will continue with that in our next class with all the continents. So this was our today's class. We are learning about continents, and I'm going to say you goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. And we'll see each other soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and bye-bye.